Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to blur parts of a video on CapCut. This is helpful if you want to blur some specific areas on your videos, like any personal information or someone's face. So let's get started. Before I begin, I'll be using CapCut for PC to edit in this video. If you don't have CapCut on your computer yet, you can either use the web version or download CapCut for PC. Let's start by opening up CapCut. If you haven't already, create a new project. Next, we need to import the image or video you want to edit. Just click on Import, find the file in your downloads or wherever it's saved, and then click Open. Your image or video will now appear in your library. For this tutorial, I've got a pre-downloaded image that I'll be using. To start editing, drag your image or video down into the timeline. You can either click and drag it or hover over it and click the little green plus sign to add it to the timeline. Now, we're going to create an overlay. To create an overlay, right-click on the image in your timeline and select Copy. Then, right-click in the space above the image and select Paste. You can also use the shortcuts Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Next, drag the overlay directly on top of the main video in the timeline. Now go to the top of the screen and click on Effects. Under Video Effects, click on the search bar and search for the blur effect. Once you have the effect, drag it onto the overlay video. Applying the blur effect to the overlay video ensures the blur only affects the overlay, not the main video underneath. You can adjust how long the blur effect lasts by dragging the ends of the blur bar in the timeline. You can also control the intensity of the blur to get the look you want. As you can see in the video player, the entire video is blurred. To fix that, click on the overlay video. In the top right corner, under the video section, select Mask. Make sure the mask box is checked, or you won't be able to use it. From here, you can choose whatever shape you'd like for the blur. I'll be using the circle shape. The circle will appear on the video player and you can adjust it to fit the object or spot you want to blur. Once the shape fits your object, you should see the blur effect only inside the shape. If you want to blur everything outside the shape instead, just click the reverse icon on the right. And that's it. We've successfully blurred part of our image using masking, overlays, and effects. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.